Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one is about a, this is about b, and we have negative sign in here. So we need to have a plus b. That's about this one plus this one, and you will got like this. So we change this one for the positive because we add another factor. That means we need to divide this one by positive. So you will got like this. So we have a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we simplify this one, and you will got about this one to the power of 2 minus this one to the power of 2. So if we simplify this one, you will got about s squared minus 2s minus 1. Now we cancel the square root, and you got about s squared minus 7s plus 3. So s squared minus s squared, they will cancel. Negative 2s negative with negative 7s, you will go about positive 5s. Negative number 1, negative number 3, so you go about negative number 4. And now you will got like this. After we analyze about this one, we divide both numerator by s and denominator by s. So this one 5s divided by s, 4 divided by s. So you got about 5 minus 4 over s. About s, they go inside the square root. You will got like this. That's about s squared. Similar for this one. So this one you got about number 1, this one you got about number 1, this one you got about 2 over s, this one you got about 7 over s. So when s go to positive infinity, 2 divide to positive infinity, you got about 0. Similar this one, 0, 0 and 0. So we got the final answer. And that should be about 5 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.